Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a super cute Hello Kitty with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of Hello Kitty's head, ears, and big hair bow. How cute! Now onto the eyes. Little nose, and whiskers. Now onto the outline of the body and Hello Kitty's overalls, the arms and t-shirt. That's the outline done. On to painting Hello Kitty. I am using a light pink color to paint the t-shirt. And a red color to paint the overalls. And her beautiful big hair bow. I am using a yellow color to paint her cute little nose. Now I have my black marker to go over the outline of Hello Kitty again. And that's it. I'm all finished. I wonder what adventures Hello Kitty will get up to today with her friends. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe for more videos and get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.